Annual orchard maintenance. So now you're an elderberry grower. You've gotten through all the initial preparation, grown elderberries for a season, watched them flower, eaten a few berries, and made some syrup. And now the season is winding down. The end of your first year is a little bit different because you should not cut back your elderberries that first season. But other than that, this is the maintenance you'll want to perform between seasons over the winter to get ready for spring growth. End of first year, beginning of second. Late winter, before bud break, spray plants with Dormant oil, which smothers overwintering elderberry mites that moved into your field from the wild elderberries and are overwintering in the dormant buds, and will also deter other insects. Get an annual soil test early so you have results. Remove the plastic if you used it, which is mandatory to comply with organic standards. Fertilize and add amendments according to soil tests. Add 1 inch of compost. Put down landscape fabric or mulch. After the second year and first pruning, repeat annually. Late winter after pruning, get an annual soil test early so you can have the results. Remove the plastic if you've used it. Fertilize and add amendments according to the soil test. Add 1 inch of compost. Put down landscape fabric or mulch. Landscape fabric laid side by side overlaps slightly with plants in between, allows the fabric to be pulled back so compost can be laid directly on the ground. If you put compost on top of landscape fabric, the roots will migrate to the compost and your plants will be on top of the fabric. It's best to keep the fabric as a top layer and put everything, including your amendments, underneath it. Mulch on top if you prefer for temperature balance and moisture retention. As you start your second year and as the season progresses, keep an eye out for insects and diseases. Mow as needed. This is a constant activity. It maintains good air circulation, which helps with fungus and disease control. Grass cut short shocks the plants and causes root hairs to slough off, providing food for microorganisms, which in turn provides food for your elderberry roots. You're not only mowing, you're feeding the elderberry plants. As first buds appear, apply a low nitrogen, high phosphorus and potassium fertilizer to stimulate the flowering. After berry harvest in the fall, apply kelp meal, which is a high mineral content but not much nitrogen, to put plants to sleep for the winter. The second year after harvest, allow the orchard to rest until it's cold enough for the plants to go dormant. In Missouri, we wait until January, then begin pruning. And the way we do that is coming up in the next section.